Hello, my name is Rieke Xenaki and I'm a Greek reborner from Greece. I have just finished reborning my Rosie, Kid Rieke by Dee Stastny. Rosie is such a sweet, sweet baby girl with the most amazing baby smile ever. I don't think I can resist her, can you? Well, she has got real, very soft and directionally rooted human hair. Her eyes are deep blue German glass eyes, and her veining, blushing and modeling is, I think, is super. It's very nice. She's available for adoption. So, if you're interested in her, you can find in the link below, download in the description box, my Facebook Reborn Baby page, and you can message me. We wish you to have a lovely day or evening, and we send our love. Bye from me and sweet Rosie.